Coliseum. Can't believe it.
Maganda, maganda. Kaya lang yung araw eh.
Post na kayo dyan. Sino unang po-post? Because this is against the light, I'm gonna look so bad. But this is the Coliseum. Now going to the broken part, as they call it. The way is this way. I think this is a warmer way if you go through that way. So this is the view from the bottom. Wow! When you get there, it's even prettier. Ang ganda, Casey! Ang ganda niya! I wanted to go to Coliseum. Mas na-excite ako dito kasi sa quiz eh. What are we doing here?
Anong pangalan nito, broken?
Hindi namin siya pwede ikutin.
That is so sad.
How sad. Sad na ako.
Ayoko na.
It is hawak.
Yes.
Uy!
Hindi, konti lang. Try ko lang.
Fresh water po yan.
Hindi, ano mo muna? Pumunta ka muna dito. Lagyan mo muna yung bibig mo dyan. Tapos ko.
Brad, baka.
Ito po si Cho.
Right, gently, gently.
Spit it out.
It's fresh water. Malinis yan, B.
Na-touch ko, baka magkasakit ako. Okay na yun.
Wait, try nyo ang saya. I love it. Kailangan natanggal na yun. We are walking to the other place where Paul and sino ba yan? No, Pablo and Pedro was taken to jail. Tas sinipa siya. Sige nga.
I'm so scared. Guys, Luis, you wanna touch it? Luis, tutulungan ka, di ba?
Oh, let's go.
Lois, wag kang ganyan-ganyan. Para kang...
Hello. Bites.
Ano sinabi niya?
Advice.
Ano daw?
Nangangagat daw siya.
Oh, English pala yung sinabi niya.
Guys, nakaka-22 steps more kami kapag ginagala namin yung mga...
So magandang exercise ati pala eh.
Ay, ito oh. May nakasulat ko na natin maintindihan kung ano yung nakasulat na yan. Ay, Ben, anong ibig sabihin yan? Museum ng ano?
Maganda siguro ito pag yung ano talaga tapos na yung renovation.
Lahat ng church nila, may details sila. But hindi ko alam kung anong details dyan. I-figure out mo na lang. Tapos ito, yung may steps route, napakadaliit. Wait lang.
Smile!
What about the steps?
Ano, sobrang liliit tingnan mo.
What about it?
Kaya, yun lang talaga. Maliliit lang siya. It represents Italy. Liit to.
Are you serious? That detail, there's flowers. That writing is in Latin. Nainitan ka? Hala, nasan si Angel? Ah, okay. Oh, tekla, maglakad ka. Gandaan mo yung lakad mo. Parang nasa Rome dapat.
No, you have to walk, ate.
Pangat mo maglakad. Para kang ano.
Na-root mo ka magkapatid.
Sino?
Kasi ako sa Eda.
Yung magka-vibe sila.
Pero silang sisters.
Sis, kung magpatakan po kayo ng tayo ng ibon, that's good luck.
Well, thanks, Brad. Okay.
Opo.
Ang tawag ba dyan, holy? Sa'yo na lang, Brad, yung
Good luck
good
po
luck.
yun eh. Good luck po yun eh. Hindi pa po.
Hindi ka pa
Hindi siya nakamatay.
Oh?
It symbolize the na Rome never
Dali!
Rome never ends po. Never, parang hindi siya
Oo. Okay. Nasaan yung fire? So,
papasok tayo
taas. Ayun. If you come. Kasi nga, yung fire doon, Rome never dies. Let's go. Ano ba yan? National nyo ba yan? Nuts. National nuts niya.
Kastanya. It's called kastanya. It's from the trees po.
So it's nuts. Chestnuts.
Yeah.
Ayaw pa ni Fred ng nuts. Nuts din na. Brad, na-capture ko yun. This is the fountain where you would wish, flip a coin facing back 3 times, and apparently you'd get married. What's one gamit niya? Everybody. Dami daw pickpocket dito, guys. Pag yan, tek lang nakablot. Lagot ka sa akin.
Meron pong set ng film.
Set ng ano?
Set. Ayun o, may camera po.
Oh.
May camera po dun.
Ah, nagpi-film sila?
Hindi. Ano siya? Nasa lens yun.
Yung ano, Aesop ng...
Wow, anong meron dyan? Yan yung steps? Yan yung steps?
Imagine mo rin sa summer yan Hindi pa.
Parang di naman 22,000 yung steps.
Tapos yun yung tao po.
22,000 people? Oh
Tingnan po sa
no.
gamit ah. 2,000.
Guys, this is the steps. I thought it was 22,000 steps, but turns out it's not even 22K. It's just a lot of people. What is that? I know what that is, but the other one. Lagay mo din dapat ang salt.
Pizza. Pizza.
I want salt.
Cheese po yan
Guys, I wrote That's Pompeii over there. As you can see, it's a long line from here. But apparently, it's really good tiramisu. Okay, so this is Pompeii. Turns out we were lining up in the wrong line. That line, I don't know what that line is for, but okay. So that's the tiramisu. Okay, they just stopped. The inside of the Pompeii. Tiramisu is over there. Wait, I'll just... Classic and pistachio. From over here. What did you get?
Picture natin.
Open mo. Okay, first bite.
Oh, we have plastic.
Oh, it's so
Try it.
Oh, it's so soft. Mmm. It's good. Spoon. She needs spoon. Hi, Ate Ella, ate. Let me try. Wait. Let's record. Ito. Oh, wait, she... My pistachio. Yeah. My nose is so dry. I'm gonna cry. But you can get the chocolates. How do you? I don't know too. That's why I didn't know how to get it. Is it nice? Pistachio, yeah.
Try it again.
Try. Oh, you want to try it?
No, I already tried. You want to try it?
Okay lang, oh pistachio din yung kabila eh.
Please try this one.
Wait, it tastes
Ano?
so
one. It's a 7.5 for me.
You want to try it?
It's the same, isn't it?
What is that one?
Parang coffee to.
No, I like
Yeah, because it's tiramisu, babe.
Okay, that's why it tastes like coffee.
You like this one?
Pistachio is
Which one do
better.
you like better?
I don't want
Which one do
coffee.
you like?
Ate Casey. And then it's...
Ang laki niya.
Kuha ka dito sa chocolate.
You've been
And we've already eaten and stuff. But look, there's still like the amount of people on that step is still a lot.
Dun tayo sa gitna kasi hindi natin alam sa Netflix. Unahan mo sila.
Okay, una. I feel like I'm gonna get hit. Oh, that's such a cute car.
So kahit ano.
Mm-mm.
Pero kahit umulan, hindi siya naka-plug sa loob. Hindi siya
So-
nakapasukan masyado ng ulan.
But may butas.
Ganun, trip lang nila. Hindi, ay siya, parang architecture.
What are you looking for?
Sa loob may parang ano,
Okay, ito nang nag-guardia.
hindi,
Oh,
may, kung sige mausok.
umuusok.
Hindi, yung parang,
Oh, it's smoking! I smell it.
tayo, guys.
evaporant.
Evaporant.
Caldo. C'è dopo reacque un caldo, sale, e quindi non ci stanno
taking
le...
a picture.
Guys,
Ay, sorry. Binili ko?
T-shirt to jumpers.
Say hi! 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 Hello! Ang cute!
Doon na lang tayo akit sa Navona, tapos balik tayo ng Trevi. Sige.
Trevi na Trevi to. Kanina pa tong Trevi ng Trevi.
picture kailangan maganda doon. Yun yung... Kasi madami pang tao doon.
At sa gabi, konti na lang.
Sa gabi, like, gabing-gabi.
Kasi hindi nakita? Ay, hindi nakita? O kita pa?
Kita pa, so mas kumunti yung tao.
We are now walking.
Kung pupunta din tayo ngayon, madami pa
We
rin
are
tao.
walking. Are we running?
So you can libing people there and you can also go to church. You know what? Ang dami.
Ano ta sa'yo? Parang Camberley.
Ang cute ng chocolate. Nagpa-flow lang siyang ganyan. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys. So Ate Ruth is about to get her portrait done.
Good luck, Ate Ruth. Ate Ruth, pag hindi mo nagustuhan, walang sisihan. Ha? Walang sisihan.
Guys, what if she looks like that?
Okay, I'm coming. She said it's gonna take 10 minutes, but...
Guys, may audience pa si Ate Ruth, oh. Diba? Okay. Ito, LED. I think iba't ibang sharpness. Ay, model. My gosh, Ate Ruth, ang laki daw ng eye bags mo. Tingnan mo. Ang laki daw ng eye bags mo. Hala. Oo nga. Tama ang kapal ng eyebrows niyo dyan. Hala. Don't this beanie root like that.
No, ang kapal kasi ng tingnan mo.
Good job.
It does look like you, exactly.
Tingin mo kamukha ba ni Ate Ruth?
Truth or dare?
Ikaw,
Mas maganda siya.
mas cute to. Ha? Mas cute ba si Ate Ruth?
Oo.
Thank you. Grazie. One more clap, one more clap, one more clap, clap, clap. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, mukha. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Venice?
What's that
Venice?
naman? Let's see that.
Come here, Venice.
Ang baho.
Venice, ikaw ba yun? Ay, yun yung fire na sinabi ko.
Yes.
Yun na.
Fire.